job for you. First, I need you to kill a banker. And I want you to do it by sundown. If you don't come back, then I'll have to kill you with this gun. Now, do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Now go do your job. I'll shoot the door open for you. Another one. Another murder.
He looks very young. He wouldn't die of old age.
No, he definitely won't.
Yeah. Hold on. There's a bit of blood here. It's a bullet. Dear Lord, he's a murderer.
He was killed. Again.
Gunshot.
Look.
Someone shot him last night.
He must have been a janitor.
Yeah,
He was cleaning and then the murderer
Gunshot.
came in, killed him.
But why? Why a janitor, not?
Why not a big boss?
Because he doesn't look like he's important.
Yeah,
I mean,
he just looks.
like a janitor.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's go talk to the manager.
Oh, the manager. Okay, so that's a picture.
Hi guys.
Hi.
I've been working on the case in the
Can we get a pencil?
Oh, there's probably one in the back.
To what?
What?
Where'd you get that?
It was in your bag.
Yeah, it was. It's literally right
it's
there.
not. It's not. But.
Well, I don't know what's in the bag, so it's not mine.
Oh my God! There's fingerprints.
They're
Look.
my fingerprints. Oh, they are.
And
my
look, we have
fingerprints.
your fingerprints on record.
But
And
I did.
this
It's
is
not
it.
mine. What? Someone must have put it in my bag. It's not mine.
Uh-huh.
It's not mine.
But listen, fingerprints.
I didn't do it. Someone must have, I don't know, put it in and I touched it by mistake. I didn't do it. Why do you think I did it?
Because
Because
all the evidence is you.
Yeah, but I was with you. No, I wasn't actually. No, listen.
You weren't with me the night before. You were at work.
I didn't do it.
Where were you on the night of the murder?
I was at home eating crisps.
I was in the late shift working as an accountant.
I was eating noodles at home. I was watching the Liverpool v Chelsea match where Liverpool beat them 10 million nil. Assistant, you're the prime suspect.
It wasn't me.
My assistant, you are the prime suspect right now. These all are, well, there's a chance of it being one of them, but, well, you're the prime suspect. We found a gun in your bag. Have any of you been handling weapons recently?
No.
No,
Definitely
only chopsticks. Well, I sometimes do clay pigeon shooting, but yeah. What type of guns do you use? I have a Winchester. Double-barreled. No rifles? No rifles.
Who do you think it was? I still think it's two people in black.
Well, I mean, it's possible. Why do you think that was?
They just look suspicious. They don't look as nice as them. And that, well, the woman, he was clearly wearing a wig.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, sure. But all the evidence points to him.
But maybe maybe someone framed him. Just putting that in view.
But, I mean, we have to do further investigation. I'm going to go talk to the suspects.
You forgot your hand.
I know it wasn't me, but I'd never seen that gun before in my life. So someone must have put it into the bag, but who did that? The other suspects, who were they? That strange guy with the wig. Him. It wasn't him because... Oh. If you're sure... Oh, that means it's... I know who it is. Come in.
Greg?
Oh my God, Greg. Are you dead? Oh my God. Oh my God, are you okay? Look, it's Groundhog Day. That's his favourite movie.
What? And I've also found something.
Suspect number 4.
Greg?
Mafia.
It must have been who killed Greg.
Remember suspect number 4 a couple of weeks ago?
Yeah, but he was the prime suspect. That must have been. He's writing down who it actually was. Greg, are you alright? Come on, we have to go. Get suspect 4. We have to avenge Greg. You can take off the mask. We know who you are. We're coming close, I'll shoot. No, please don't. Oh, God.
Put the gun down.
Take the mask off. We already know who you are, but it helps to put it in. Okay, you called me. No! Why? Why?
So fast. The disguise. What a charm.
So what went wrong? Tell me, because if you failed, I really will go granola on your butt!
Oh, boss. Well, all of the detectives in the place where they tried to work out with the suspects, they kind of figured out that I was just wearing a wig. But maybe that's your wrongdoing.
No. Put on another wig then, and I've got another idea. Now you put on a blue wig, and let's get this started!
But I don't have a blue wig!
It's literally right in the cupboard of evil plot things, which is right over there!
Fine, I'll go get it.
Now do you understand me?
Yes.
My plan is finally coming into action. Let's get this started. And there shall be no detective. For this plan because they'll never stop me if there is no detective!
Albert?
Albert! Oh my God, Albert, you okay?
My name is Greg.
Oh my god.
Holy, Greg? Greg!
You
Someone is